The home was recently remodeled and they put in place a outlet line for the shower. So there's a shower on the second floor and there's a 2-inch cast iron pipe coming out. And while we're doing the driveway, we're gonna bury the pipe so it goes below the driveway and it's gonna outlet on the far side where we're planning to put some trees along the fence. So between stormwater management and greywater management, all ways that we can reduce the amount of water being wasted on site.
Like a butter.
Even though their washing machine is on the second floor, while he was building this, he put in a second standpipe that ran down to right here, and he just stubbed it out right here. And he's got 2 standpipes up by his washing machine. If he puts the hose where the water exits into one of them, it goes to the sewer. If he puts it in the other, it comes right here to this pipe. This is going to come across here, and we're going to tee off. We're going to plant 3 fruit trees between these succulent racks, and the water from the washing machine will come out and irrigate those fruit trees. So I just wanted to make sure that I have some sort of slope, because although your washing machine has a pump, once you put it into a standpipe, you get an air gap. And so all of the pressure from the pump is lost. And so this has to be gravity fed. And so I just wanted to make sure that the side by the house was a little bit higher than where I'm going to be here, so that I make sure to get all of the water out of the pipe and into the ground. We're putting in a permeable concrete tomorrow, and this will all be covered, and so kind of got to do it right now.